My name is Brian Cunningham. I'm a director of Allen Recruitment. We're a specialist IT recruitment agency. We're based in Dublin with offices in Cork as well. Allen Recruitment is one of the larger specialist IT recruitment agencies in Dublin. We have 19 recruitment staff, which would be one of the largest specialist focused IT teams. There's lots of bigger agencies than us, but not so many. Like our clients are Google, Microsoft, these type of companies, and they bring us in particularly for the specialist skills we can provide. Cash flow is the lifeblood of our business. The temporary market is something we've grown into in the last couple of years, and one of the big issues we have is that these are people that we employ on our books that we need to pay at the end of each month. In effect, we don't actually get paid by our client, not at the first month. We'll have paid 2 months' salaries before. Without having that cash flow, we wouldn't have been able to grow into that area, and the growth of our company would have stagnated. The banks aren't open for small businesses in Ireland. The crash in the banking sector in Ireland has meant that the main high street banks that we would deal with and have relationships with are not open for lending. We have successfully been working with Bibby Financial Services for 4 years, and in this time our facility with them has grown. What we find is that the mixture of the systems they provide us, the professionalism of their people, the flexibility and the speed with which they respond to us, that allows us to focus on our business, and therefore in the long run we save, because rather than doing something cheaper and having to do more work or making it harder on ourselves, it's much easier to work with someone who's the best at what they do. One of the differences that Bibby Financial Services gives us is in the whole area of the client account management. In one of the bigger banks or in high street banks, we might not even know who our account manager is, or they have moved on to a different job. Our business it's not unique, but it's not straightforward. We have strange invoicing cycles, we have strange payment cycles, and I don't feel that any other invoice discounting firm could quickly get to grasp with what we need and what Bibby Financial Services can do for us. We see Bibby as a trusted long-term partner who's going to help us grow this business from a current turnover of 3 million to a turnover of 10 million euros. We would not have grown over the last number of years if we'd gone with someone who didn't have the facilities to allow us to grow or to be able to provide us with the funds for our cash flow that we needed.